Have you ever put stickers on photos in your social media? Stickers on photos is like the simplest digital imaging you can do. And if you haven't done it yet, let's see how to do it now. We're going to make this pepper with the glasses and mustache. First, we'll go to Unsplash and find our pepper. We'll save the pepper to our camera roll. Then we're going to open our PS Express app and pick the pepper. Scroll over to the stickers and then scroll the stickers until you find the glasses. You can drag the corner of the glasses to resize and rotate and then position it where you want it. Now go get the mustache and do the same thing to position it and get it the right size. Now we're going to scroll back and get our funny little emoji here. Bring that up, position it where you want it, resize it. And now you've made a silly social media digital image. Now you're going to tap save and put it in your camera roll.